Hi everyone! So one thing I wanted to show on Photoshop is the clone tool. So let's say that I wanted to clone this mountain so it looks like it's extending further out. So I'm going to first increase my canvas board this way. And there's a tool here that is called the clone stamp tool. I'm going to select that, increase my brush size, and the important thing to do with the clone tool is to select a source point. So in order to do that, what you have to do is, so if you don't do that, you'll get error message. What you do is you press Option and select where you want it to be the source. So let's say I want it here. So now you can see that it's coloring it in from the source. And right now it's on 50% opacity, that's why it's light. So I'm going to make it 100% and color it in like this. So this is how you use the clone tool. So I just selected another source point, if you saw that, like that. Awesome. So this looks pretty natural, and you can see that the landscape kind of extends further that way. Sometimes I see like two similar mountains and I know that it's a clone, so I have to kind of get rid of it that way. And another trick that exists to use when you are extending backgrounds like this is, let's go back to the original, is you can actually, on this crop tool, you can click on something called content aware. So click that, and if I increase it like that and press enter, it takes a bit of time, but be patient because it's going to do all the cloning. Oh yeah, so now it did that for us. Do you see the difference? But I actually think that this one isn't as natural as it could be, so I'm going to go back in. But it's nice that you have something to work with maybe, so I'm going to go back in and use the clone tool, pick up on some areas that I like better. I think there's too many of these, like 3 dots that are repeating, so I'm going to get rid of some of that. And maybe hopefully add, so some images this content aware thing works better for, but sometimes it just extends way too much of something that doesn't look natural. So you have to be cognizant of that and really make it work for you. So one other thing that I wanted to show is something called Skew. So when you are on an image, and right now you can see that she isn't on a straight line, like it's skewed towards the right side. So what you can do is, on the crop tool, you can click on this thing called straighten, and you can see, you can click on where you want it to straighten from. So from here, straighten. You want it to straighten from here to here. So it does that for you right away automatically. So you don't have to turn your image or anything. You can automatically just straighten like that. So that's it for this video.